Facebook Notes, a long-form writing feature that allowed users to create and publish blog-like posts, was officially discontinued in 2024. Meta, Facebook's parent company, made this decision to streamline the platform and focus on more engaging content formats that drive user interaction. This shift reflects the platform's evolution toward dynamic multimedia content. While notes are no longer editable, they remain viewable through your profile archives, though in read-only mode. To access your old Facebook notes, start by logging into Facebook on a computer or mobile device. Next, navigate to your profile page by clicking on your name or profile picture. Look for the More button or the three dots icon on your profile, then click it to open the menu. From the menu, choose Archive or See Your Archive to view your archived content, including old notes. Alternatively, you can find notes by scrolling through your profile timeline where they appear as posts. Be aware that notes might not load correctly on mobile apps, so using a desktop browser is often preferred. If your notes were public, they might appear in Facebook search results. Just search for your name plus notes. However, private notes are only visible to you, the author, and only if you haven't changed your privacy settings since they were published. Why can't I restore my notes? Unfortunately, Facebook doesn't offer a direct restoration tool for deleted or inaccessible notes. Once a note is removed, or if you didn't export it before the shutdown, it's permanently archived on Meta's servers and not easily recoverable. This is due to Meta streamlining features and reducing maintenance costs. Before Facebook Notes was discontinued in 2024, users were notified to export their notes during the shutdown process. If you followed the export process, your notes were likely saved as PDF or HTML files on your device. Look for these files in your computer's Downloads folder, Documents, or cloud storage, like Google Drive or Dropbox. Once found, you can repurpose the exported notes by re-uploading them as regular Facebook posts or sharing them on other platforms like Medium or your personal website. Be cautious of third-party tools or browser extensions promising to restore Facebook Notes. Meta doesn't endorse these, and using them could violate Facebook's terms of service or compromise your account security. It's best to rely on official methods for accessing existing archives. With the shutdown of Notes, Facebook is focusing on integrated features like longer posts and threads. The trend is towards short, visual content, so don't expect Notes to return. Consider using platforms like Substack or Medium if you want to share long-form writing online. Facebook Notes is gone. You can still view archived notes through your profile. There is no restore function available. If you previously exported your notes, you can use other platforms to display them. If not exported, look through your Facebook profile archive for any trace of them. In summary, Facebook Notes is discontinued, but archived notes may be viewable through your profile. There's no restore function, so use exported notes on other platforms or check your profile archive.